Itel City 100, a new series from Itel, released a week ago. In my opinion, this new device is a combination of A and P series to form a sleek-looking City 100, packed with improved features. Let's get started. These are color variants, such as the navy blue, pure titanium, and fairy purple. Supports side-mounted fingerprints, plus speaker architecture is mono. It also has an IR blaster, which controls household electronics. From the memory, check out the following variants from your screen. Also supports RAM expansion using memory fusion and ROM expansion using memory card. It's a 6.75-inch display at 720 by 1600 pixels, IPS LCD resolution. Peak brightness is at 700 nits, which is quite brighter under silhouette compared to 500 nits. Refresh rate is 90 Hz. Horsepower is the Unisoc Tiger T7250 octa-core 12nm processor. GPU is Mali G57 MP1 and CPU is 2x1.8 GHz Cortex A75 and 6x1.6 GHz Cortex A55. Rear camera is 13 megapixels, whilst the front camera is 8 megapixels. Video maxed out resolution is 1080p at 30 fps. I think a 32 megapixels would have been a perfect choice at least, as this might be a deal breaker for sections of buyers. It has a voice command action such as cheese or capture prompts, which automatically snaps photos at the tone of your speech. It's an upgraded 5200 mAh, which will take a day or extra of use, plus its charging speed. It's a standard 18 watts. I feel the charging speed needs a bit of upgrade. Also supports OTG and reverse charging. It's an IP64 rating, which endures water splashes, dust and unexpected drops from fuel fits. Also, AI integration has been improved with DeepSeek support, such as Ask About AI, where you ask questions from the device. The One Press feature located on the power button, where it helps in organizing your activities. The AI Picture Magic, which translates your prompts into wallpapers and image enhancements using AI. AI Assistance, which helps in organizing your daily tasks. Hi Translate, a chat-based translator, which helps in translating your information. AI Writing, which helps in generating text, proofread, and summarizes. And finally, the AI Gesture Control, using your hand gesture to control your phone's organizations without any touch. Check out from your screen. It's a usual Android 14, translating to pure OS 14.5. Sounds new. Android 15 would have been better. At least Android 15 Go edition might be okay. Dear Itel, please do better. It's a highly recommendable phone for anyone without breaking the bank. It handles beyond busy tasks on its budget, handles highly demanding games at lower settings, and an improved AI integrations with DeepSeek. Dynamic bar has been improved with more organizations. Thank you.